Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jose Ramos. I'm a personal trainer, a flight attendant, and I'm here to help you out to guide you to your healthy lifestyle goals. Today we are going to be making one of my favorite protein shake, which is a plant-based protein shake with broccoli, ginger, and some seeds. Stay tuned and I'll show you more on how to make it on my Blendjet. So here I have my Blendjet, very portable. It's convenient for me as a traveler. Here I have my broccoli. Broccoli, they say that once it's packed and frozen, it preserves all the nutrients and it has 400% more nutrients than any other fresh broccoli on the market. We also have here your crushed ginger with no preservatives and gluten-free. Here I have my hemp seeds. The hemp seeds provide me with 10 grams of protein and 12 grams of omega 3 and 6. And here I have my almond milk. The almond milk, as you know, this is unsweetened, original. And lastly, I am going to throw in there a little bit of honey just to kind of give it a little bit of sweetness from Costco. I love my Kirkland brand. All right, guys, stay tuned and check out how this protein shake is going to come out. So first we pour the milk. Hemp seeds, ginger, 5 scoops, and the broccoli. 1, 2, 3, 4 broccoli. Now you do some honey. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. That was a plant-based protein shake, okay? It's protein naturally, no powder added, and the Blendjet was very easy to use. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have Instagram, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for a ton of free workout videos that I have there at Jose Ramos Fit. I'll see you next on the next video with Jose Ramos Fit. Take care, guys.